everyone, and welcome to the awards assembly this Friday. We can see everyone's been working really hard again at home, and we've got some certificates to give out. So let's have a look who's been working really hard. We have, starting with class 5 this week, we have the Home Learning Award for work in animation and sewing. That goes to Hetty. Very well done, Hetty. We have the Teacher's Special Award for an in-depth animal fact file on the giant squid. That goes to Daniel. Well done, Daniel. And the Star of the Week certificate for a resilient and positive attitude in learning. That goes to Harry. Excellent, Harry. Well done. So moving on to class 4. We have the Home Learning Award, and this is for helping at home to create a new room. Very well done, Brandon. That's lovely to hear. Well done. The Star of the Week in class 4 for resilience in his work and learning how to bake. That's Ben. Well done, Ben. And the final award for class 4 this week is for producing an excellent poster, and that goes to Grace. Very well done, Grace. Okay, let's move on to class 3 and see how you've been getting on. So we have the Teacher's Special Award, and this is presented to Olivia this week, and that's for a wonderful rhyming poem. So well done. The Home Learning Award this week for continuing to learn his times tables, that goes to Finley. Well done, Finley. And the Star of the Week this week, that goes to Peyton for some excellent diary work. Well done, Peyton. So moving on to class 2. This week we've got the Home Learning Award, and that goes to Evie for excellent work in the daily puzzles. So well done, Evie. That's pleasing to hear. The Teacher's Special Award this week goes to Daisy, and that's for an excellent All About Me poster. Thank you, Daisy. The final award for class 2 is the Star of the Week Award, and this goes to Matthew for excellent reading and maths work. Well done, Matthew. So on to our final class, class 1, and the Home Learning Award this week, that goes to Phoebe for reading over 80 books on book club. That's fantastic news. Well done, Phoebe. The Star of the Week, it goes to Lily Rose for making an excellent crown for the Queen's birthday. Very well done, Lily Rose. And the final award is the Teacher's Special Award, and this goes to Amelia for lots of great maths work centred around money. So excellent. Very well done, Amelia. I'd just like to say a huge thank you to all of the children for their hard work. Thank you very much to the parents for continuing to support home learning, and thank you to the staff who are continuing to update the class pages. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you have a lovely weekend, and I will see you again next week. Bye bye.